Okay. Go buy bread for my hot dog. I have a new hot dog from Sweden. Come with toast and all with the curry last night. Wow. Okay. Hot. Ooh, let's go. I have money. Yes. Go 7-Eleven. Start my day. I start my day with Swedish hot dog and shrimp salad from Sweden. And some mustard from Sweden. But I'm missing bread. They have a new 7-Eleven over here. Big one. We go over there. Because I want to make hot dogs from Sweden today. Oh yeah. I have 7-Eleven. Massage, have massage. Big one, new 7-Eleven. Before, when COVID come, every 7-Eleven and Family Mart go away. We only have one, and now we have 2. Before we had 20. They start come back. Ooh, Savadi cup. See if they have. I not see. If they no have, take.
Okay.
Let's try. No hot dog bread. No have. Why? Only have same this. But I want hot dog bread.
I like.
My eye no good or why not have? Why they not have? New 7-Eleven not have hot dog bread. Maybe have in the other one. Let's go see if we go look. Oh, maybe have here. No have. Kanompang. Bread. We go to 7-Eleven number 2. Go look. Oh yeah. Let's go. It's not long way, it's over here. Oh, somebody at you. What the fuck? Oi. You see the dog sleeping. This dog he stay in the beach in bamboo restaurant. Sleep here. Hot dog bread. I see if you're lucky. Yes, have. I see, but they have very big hot dog bread, but you can cut them. We take one. This week, 3rd September, 3rd September. This 26, 3rd September. Same. Maybe we need 2. How much? I only have 100 baht with me. We take 2. I think enough. Okay. See now, 50 baht. 100 baht is $3. Up on cup? No, it's okay. Oh, have a hot dog bread. Let's go make hot dog. Hot today, every day hot. I am not. I make YouTube movies about my day, what I do in one day. Every day is different. Sometimes same. But We not cut too much and make too fancy. Only show the real life. I like it same this. I do a lot of live stream in Twitch. I use the talking. You can talk 6 hours, no problem. But I do in Swedish in Twitch. Now I come back home. Let's make hot dog. Ooh, yeah, hot. Hot, hot. Okay, I'm back.